Alright, so it is lunchtime and we are going to head over to Epcot, our first stop of the day for and away we go! Alright, we made it in and we just stopped by World Travelers and we got scavenger hunts for the girls. So
Scavenger hunt.
Remy
I only
Rabbit
see
2 hide and
2.
seek.
You didn't get one for me?
Maybe one of the girls will share with you. They get a prize at the end.
This is for foodies today, because there's food everywhere.
I want the orange cream shake. Ooh, it comes with bird.
Is that what you're getting?
That's what I'm getting. I don't know if I should get chicken or lobster.
Daisy, how's that drink?
I love it.
Good?
What's it taste like?
Orange?
Citrus,
Citrus?
and shake. Well,
Feel weird drinking out of a
Orange
bird?
shake.
I know,
But
right?
it's adorable. Look
That's
how adorable it
What you
is.
got over here?
I have chicken I'm about to try.
That looks so good.
Oh, it looks good.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Alright,
Yes.
you have choice of chicken
Ooh.
or lobster. Which one you want? Chicken or
I'll
lobster?
try the chicken.
Chicken?
Chicken?
But you love lobster.
I'll have the chicken.
You want the chicken? It is, both are gluten-free.
Alright, so what do you think, Barros?
Go.
Good? Yeah? Man, you're not letting go of that thing, are you? I think she likes it.
I think she does too.
I think it's gonna rain soon.
Well, then I better eat quickly.
And we have, what, 30 more to go?
Oh, yeah, this is our first one. We got a lot more to go. Oh, we have our lobster. I already put some lemon on it. Ooh, I wonder how it's gonna taste. Oh, salty, but good. I like lobster, so I'm definitely claiming this one.
Oh, look at this weather coming. That's not good.
That's bad.
How's it gonna be today? What are you doing over here? Chewing. You're just chewing over here. We might get a little wet.
Just a little bit. I'm glad I got my big hat.
You got your big hat?
My big hat will protect me.
I have
What do you
an
got?
umbrella.
You got an umbrella? You got an umbrella? That's good.
Yeah.
Alright, Bryra's got her umbrella out already. But we gotta hurry because I wanna go to Hawaii.
Hawaii's
they got,
right over
they got
there.
pork sliders. Look at the rain.
I know.
Hurry, come on.
It might be
Come on,
raining
let's
Hawaii.
go. Come on. We gotta hurry.
Get rid of all this.
Hurry. Alright, so how's that slider? Hot? Looks like it's hot. You're drinking.
It's really hot.
Alright,
I
we gotta hurry.
wasn't expecting it to be
We gotta hurry because it's about to rain.
Right here.
Alright, let's go.
Alright.
We're doing it. We're getting it done.
We're getting it done. It's a lot cooler than what it was, that's for sure.
And we're still going to Mexico. You ready?
Yeah.
You still ready?
Are you
Yeah.
going to Mexico?
And you spilled your drink like usual.
Oh,
I did.
You spilled?
No, I drank it all.
Oh, you drank it all? Okay.
Was it good?
Alright, let's go to Mexico.
Yeah.
We got some chocolate pudding.
With some avocado on
With
it.
avocado and
Ooh,
a
the
flour. You can eat the flour.
Who's eating the flour?
Ooh, me.
You?
Yeah.
Are
We
you
just
ready to
put it in
try?
half?
Somebody's ready. She's like dying over here to dig into it.
Alright, dig in. How is it?
I'm gonna try the flour.
Good?
It's okay.
It's okay?
Just
Hey,
like
I want to wipe your mouth first.
She's gonna
Before you put your mask on.
Let me-
Bryra's turn.
Oh, she's dropping pudding on my foot.
Alright, Bryra's turn. She's got a big bite.
I hope it tastes good with that
That
big of a bite.
tastes
What do you think?
Yeah?
She's processing.
Well,
I like the pudding, but the avocado is like ew.
It's like ew. All right. Let me see how ew it is.
How ew is it? Is it ew?
I don't know.
On to Mexico.
Mexico finally. Ooh, I see the menu.
Oh, there's Mexico menu. Mexico.
Really
Ribeye
good.
taco? Of course it's hot. I never had a ribeye taco.
You
have
want a ribeye taco? No, I
You
haven't.
want a ribeye taco? Steak taco? Taco?
Yeah.
Another taco for you? Alright, Barres, why is your hair wet when you got an umbrella? How's that possible? How'd she do that?
She's magical.
Magical. Oh, you got
It's fun.
food. Let's
I
go.
got food.
We have finally made it to Mexico. My favorite.
I already stole the bite. It's good.
Oh, you took a bite.
Yeah,
You
I stole
good?
a bite. It's good.
You-
You'll
yeah, I
like
know
it.
You want some, don't you? You don't
Yeah.
like tacos. You said you didn't want tacos.
Oh, she's trying. She's going for it. She's going for it.
Food review in the rain. I don't think we've ever done a food review in the rain, have we?
I don't think we've done much food reviews before, so this is.
Hey, where'd your bite go? There. How is it? Good? Is it good, Barros? Is it good, Daisy?
Yeah.
I think you
Hey,
like
I want
this
to take
one.
that first bite before you take a second one. Jeez.
Chew your
Chow,
food.
chew. Man.
Ah, raised by these wild
I
animals.
know, savages. Savage.
The pork tostados, that has the best thing so far for me. How about you?
We got more countries to go. Yes,
That thing
it is.
Gone.
I love it.
It is good. Daisy's like making
You
sure
loving
there's
that, aren't
nothing
you?
left over.
Mhm.
All right.
That's my number one pick.
Oh, there goes.
Easy. Decent food.
Can't take her anywhere.
I know.
Alright, so what do we get from China?
Chicken and dumplings.
Ooh, chicken and
Woohoo!
dumplings. Alright, who's gonna try it? Look like you already tried it.
I already tried it. It's
Are
good.
you gonna try it?
I snuck a bite.
You gonna try it? Alright,
Oh.
tell me how it
Ready?
is. Alright, Daisy, how is it?
Good. I love it.
You
Love
have
it?
some on your face still.
Oh, it's on your face.
You like
I
it?
wanna check that. Alright, how about you, Barrows? You liking it?
Bright Rose is liking all the food.
It looks spicy. Are you sure
What-
you want
what
to try
are
it?
you doing?
Or are you gonna try it? Barrows, you
I
gonna try
can't
it?
get it.
I think Daisy's just hungry.
You gonna try it?
There's
I
some
think
shrimp
you're
on
just
there.
hungry, aren't you? How is it? Is it hot?
That's good.
It's good?
I thought it'd be spicy. It's
I
not
thought
spicy.
it'd be, no, I tried it. It's not as spicy as I thought it'd be. I thought it'd be
Wow.
like burning my mouth.
Barrows, ready to try that shrimp?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, there she goes.
Whoa! How is it?
Yeah, it's
Yeah?
good.
Like it?
Yeah, I like
Wow.
What's your favorite so far?
it. My favorite's probably that.
Really?
Really?
So at Germany, the thing to get is this chicken noodle. It's almost like noodle. Whatever it is. It's basically macaroni and cheese with.
Watch out! Watch out! You speak Dutch?
Looks like a flaky top, and it looks like it's gonna be nice and gooey. What do you think?
Ham, cheese. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's good.
Like a ham and cheese sandwich with macaroni?
It does.
Alright, we're leaving Italy. Now we're going to America.
Woohoo!
Are they
USA!
gonna have like hamburgers and
Yeah,
french fries?
Yeah, I heard
hamburgers,
the food's not
french
too
You
good.
lost your shoe again? How do you keep losing your shoe?
Daisy steps on it.
You stepped on it?
No,
Oh my
I didn't.
gosh! Wow, you hear that?
I'm just trying to.
She's
I'm
so
just trying to
excited.
help her find her true love.
Hey, we're only halfway around and I'm still hungry.
You're always hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm getting kind of full.
All right, what are we gonna find in America? What do you think they're gonna have?
Hamburgers,
Hamburgers,
and French fries.
Hamburgers, French fries, the usual.
I don't even know if they have like an American like booth like kiosk
They
here.
don't have like
I don't know.
milkshakes? I want a milkshake and a hamburger, right? While we're doing our search for food, we're searching for
We're on a scavenger hunt
Rat.
for
Rat.
ingredients for Remy the rat, Ratatouille.
Rat.
So we're doing the scavenger hunt. So far we found him in every country.
Yeah.
We're halfway there.
We are so getting in line for this one.
Yeah, you heard about the
Funnel
street
Street corn.
corn funnel cake.
Street corn funnel cake. Are y'all ready to try it?
Yes.
Oh, it's good. Trust me, it's good.
We haven't tried it yet.
But I heard it's good. And I like street corn, so, and funnel cakes combined.
Can't go wrong.
No. Can't go wrong with that. Yes, we have found it. Street corn funnel cake. Look at that. Are you ready to eat that?
No,
you
I
can't, 'cause it's got
can't.
cheese.
Yeah.
I knew you are.
Yeah.
How about you?
I am.
All right, let's dig in and see how it tastes.
Is it as good as you hope?
It got a little spicy there for a minute. Oh, it's pretty good. Oh, we got Daisy. Oh, Rose. You got him. We got Tyler now. Hey, Daisy. So what do you think? What do you think, Daisy? No? Oh! Yeah, no? Oh, wow. All right, we're in Japan, and what did we see?
We saw a bunny.
A cute little bunny.
It was a baby bunny. It was tiny.
It's eating the pretty plant. Oh, you scared it.
Scared it.
And we are more than halfway around?
We are more than halfway around now. Now we're in Japan.
And
so
we are doing it.
We're doing it. I'm already
not full.
I'm full.
Not full.
Fine, not full.
Well, I'm not full. You're full?
I haven't ate the last couple of countries. All right, so we're in Japan, and I am trying the teriyaki chicken bun. It's okay. Not my favorite, but it's good.
So, what do you think? Chewy?
It's doughy, isn't it?
Doughy. Like pizza? It's like pizza doughy?
Oh, right.
Well, it has too much dough.
You like pizza, right?
No, it has too much of the stuff inside.
Don't you like pizza? It's got dough.
So Daisy just
I
wants
like
the dough.
And I like the stuff, but there's like a lot of dough.
It's
So
like
that
dough
makes it,
and
like,
sweet.
So who's ready to eat at Morocco?
Man, everybody got quiet.
This is cool back here.
I know, right?
I never really explored back here before. I like it.
No, it just keeps going around and around.
I feel like you're in the desert.
I know, right? I like it.
It is cool. It does remind me of Indiana Jones.
You definitely like it.
Oh yeah.
How many more do you have? How many more countries you gotta go to? Seven. We got 7 more?
No, we only have 3 more.
We got 7 more.
We have 3.
I guess we gotta eat 7 more times. What happened to your scavenger hunt map?
It looks a little beat up.
Got water on it.
Got water on it? Wow.
Okay, so we are in France and I am trying duck for the very first time. I've never had duck before, and it is over sweet potatoes. And I was hoping that they had escargot because I really wanted the girls to eat escargot. But they have duck over sweet potatoes. So, should be good.
You think they're gonna try it or no?
I don't know, I'm gonna see. Rose!
So how is it?
She's deciding.
You like it?
Do you know what it is? What does it taste like?
It tastes like chicken.
Hey,
Not
I
that
will
hard.
give her credit. She tried new food and she said by taste it tastes like chicken. So, I think she's okay with it. Is a cake pop, chocolate cake dipped in chocolate, frozen in liquid nitrogen with M&Ms or plain or Twix on it.
Liquid nitrogen.
Let
Just
me-
dip it in there. You gonna try it?
See the
All right.
ice on it?
Tell me how it tastes.
It's good. Chocolate, good. Really cold.
Cold.
How's it, Barris? Is it good?
Good. I like it.
Is it
Fun
cold?
stuff. This
Good.
is like the
Cold.
best thing I tried.
Is it the best thing? Oh,
The first-
that's the best thing she
Sorry, I
tried.
took 2 bites.
Oh. Oh my god, I looked over here and it's like, it's halfway gone. Look at that.
It's good.
You're gonna have to give me another one.
Mm-hmm.
So me and Bright Rose found the last item on the scavenger hunt.
Ready? Close your eyes.
Okay, I'm closing my eyes.
No, they got, it's up here somewhere. Up here. All right, so start looking. It's up here. Are they gonna be able to find it? Are they gonna find it? Let's see. What do you think?
Daisy, don't tell if you find it.
It's right there.
The
The whole con, the
tomato.
tomato was right there. Oh, forgot to look behind us.
I know. Thought
Right,
we
welcome.
learned in Morocco.
I know, right? So we finished our scavenger hunt now, and we're going to test track.
Test track.
All right, Rose. So all that hard work, what'd you get?
We got my cute cup.
Aww. You got one too? That's adorable. I like it.
I love it.
Ooh, look at the color inside. That's